welcome to the Great Outdoors. Today I'll be discussing about how to identify different types of maple trees by their leaves as well as their bark. But before we begin, let's start with a little bit of vocabulary. Each maple tree has a different type of lobe, and these are the lobes for this specific leaf. There are 3 lobes, 1, 2, and 3. Also, a way to identify by their leaves is their sinus. This one particularly has an L-shaped sinus, as this one has a U shape. Now let's get started identifying maple trees. This is a red maple. It's often confused with the sugar maple because of its bark and the striped maple because of its leaf. Now on the striped maple, it also has 3 lobes, just like with the red maple. The only difference is that the red maple, the tips are not as narrow at the top as the striped maple. It also has 3 lobes, 1, 2, 3, but the sinuses are more V-shaped than these, which are more L-shaped. Now, the way you can tell the red maple from a sugar maple is by looking at the bark. Just like the sugar maple, it has folds in the bark at the base, but the only difference with the red maple is that when you get to the top, or you look at like the tips of the tree, you'll notice that it becomes more smooth than the sugar maple, and the sugar maple will stay with folds all the way up. So this is a silver maple. It gets its name because it has a silver on the back. That's the most easiest way to identify this tree. It has 5 lobes. Well, this one's ripped off, but it would originally have 1 over here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it. Hold on, you gotta pause that one. That was really bad.
How do I pause it?
You just hit